Now, here's another fabulous tool that I love because it's a multi-use tool that can be used in a variety of applications. Here I'm using it to get into the tight corners of the drawers to sand and scuff the drawer fronts. But this oscillating tool comes with a variety of blades. So it comes with obviously the sanding attachment, and it works perfect to get into tight spaces, tight corners, etc. The tools come with blades that you can cut metal, you can cut plastic, you can sand. Again, I have a Mastercraft brand from Canadian Tire, but I kind of wish I had the Bosch one. That's on my wish list, which I will link that in the description down below if you want to see which one I'm talking about. But again, these are great tools to have on hand if you're a furniture painter.